Good morning. Since Bill's balloon ride got all messed up, we're gonna go eat at Creekside Calf.
I'm Bill.
I'm Kelley.
And this is our
adventures.
Here we go.
The shuttle service that we have is not working, not working, let me rephrase that. They don't run at this time. And when they start running, they just go between the condos and the gondola square for people skiing. So we're gonna catch the red line or the blue line. We're gonna head down there now and eat breakfast at Creekside, which is a must if you're coming to Steamboat. What was I thinking? Let's walk in the fresh snow to go catch the bus. At least it's pretty powdery snow. It's all in my boots. I should have cinched them. Right, here's our bus. Whew. And it is packed.
Probably getting off.
There's the creek under all the snow. Was good as always. Now we're taking the bus back to the room. We just finished eating lunch at Winona's. Look, looks totally different down here than it did a few hours ago. The sun is out and everything is melting. We're gonna walk around for a few minutes and then meet up with Jim Walter, who is a real estate agent here at Remax in Steamboat. So if you're looking to buy, call him. But we're gonna meet up with him in a few hours. Becca and Jason, but it's not quite the same. We had the ultimate game last year. We got down to it, and there was absolutely no moves, and the whole place was watching us. Jason pulled the last one, and they fell, and the place went crazy. I'll play it short. We'll play it.
Oh my gosh, it's going to be me knocking it over again. that girl.
Ooh, that's got some drag to it.
I think it'll go. I think it'll go.
You're trying to make me lose.
I think it'll come
You're
out.
trying to make me
Pull it out. Look at that. Holy cow.
Just finished up the barley and we're headed back to the room, and then we're gonna go to Slopeside Grill. Slopeside's one of our favorite places. That'll finish up our night. Then tomorrow, big day of skiing.